Brilliant View. I'm Christy.
I'm Doreen.
And today we're going to talk about fonts. If you've been in this business for any length of time, you probably already have hundreds and hundreds of fonts. I think I have over 900.
Ooh, I don't have that many. I probably have about 500.
They just keep coming and coming. So what we're going to do on this video is show you how to download them. Find them for free, that's the key. Download them on your computer and then be able to pull it up in your software.
You want to be able to look at them and manage them and know what the font looks like, because I get really bogged down choosing a font whenever I go to my Silhouette design software and I want to cut something, and I'll sit there and before you know it, I've passed 10 minutes of my time just trying to narrow down a font and move it at one font. Yeah. So we hope this video will help you, give you some ideas for ways you may not have thought of how to look for those fonts and how to handle them. One of my programs, I've worked on the computer. I've used a program that's free on the internet called MainType, and you can go there and download their free software, and it takes a little bit of time to set it up and to organize it the way you want. But once it's done, it's really, really a handy feature.
Yes, I've played around with the MainType too. It does take time, but like she said, once you set it all up, then you're just adding your new ones in, as you want to. But what I've done is I do everything manually. I've done me a folder, and
ooh, that looks nice.
And so what I've done was I went ahead and typed out every single font in the font name, and then I put them in categories. Like this is just like crazy, your wild ones, your weird ones that won't go in a category. And then I have script. So here's your prints, just handwriting. And then cursive, so I can see at a glance all the cursive. Sometimes you're just wanting to find a certain, the way the D looks or whatever. And some of them don't come with numbers. So I actually type out.
So then if she's got like a 1, 2, 3 besides some of them, and then some of them she doesn't. So she knows that font doesn't come with numbers.
Yeah.
Wow, because you don't know how many times I picked the font I love, only to find out it didn't have numbers.
And then you got to go back through all your fonts.
Yes, it's been 10 numbers.
So yes, so I've just gone through that. So now
Christy, this is a work of art.
Quick and easy. I like it, and I use it.
This is amazing.
I
am telling you. Oh, this, and look, she even used vinyl to decorate it. I absolutely love this. I might just have to copy or start my own, because it looks like Christy, and so I can only imagine if I try to pull something like this off, then it's going to have a flair like me. But this is a fantastic idea. I'm so glad you brought that in to share. But anyway, we're going to go to the computer now so you can see the MainType font program that I referred to earlier and see how it works. Okay? Thank you.
Let's get started with the font program that I use online. It is called MainType. They do offer a free version of this, which is what I have chosen to use. You can also purchase it for more features, but I find that through the highlogic.com, the MainType font program, I find that it is good enough for what I need. So let me show you the actual program now that I've got it on my computer and up and running. This is what it looks like when you get it started. You've got a whole lot of different panels to look at and choose from. Over here you've got, all these are presets and defaults from the company. If you purchase the program, you can change this around a little more freely. Down here you can add tags. By clicking on the tag manager, you can create files that suit your titles instead of the canned ones that come with the program. Over here you can click on recently used. I've got it in a different format. If I go to font type, I can actually see the font that I've recently used. You can click by fonts that are tagged, fonts that are not tagged, but I really like to just stay right here within the library because my purpose for using this is simple. If I were to click this Delta Extended font over here in the character panel, I can see every letter the way it's going to look. Whichever one I click on then becomes larger down here so I can see it up close. As you scroll through this character map, you'll see any special characters or glyphs down at the bottom. If you continue, let's see if I can find a script font that has something. Here I am in the dainty cursive font, and the same thing applies. You can see any extra little fancy feature that the script font might include. Another thing I like about the program is you can sort these alphabetically. You can sort them by the style. You can sort them by tags you give them. There's so many different ways you can do it. And of course, whichever one you click on, if I click on the jersey here, I can see down here that standard sentence, the quick brown fox that jumps over the lazy dog, that uses every letter of the alphabet, so you can see what each letter is going to look like. And that's important to me because I'm real particular in script fonts what the F looks like, what an L looks like, or a J. These are letters that are in some of my kids' names, so that's important to me, the way they look. So it's a really neat program. I hope you enjoy. If you want to go out and download the free version, see if you like using it. It's really simple, and it's really nice for helping to choose a font.
To go back with the fonts, my favorite cursive font would be Nora Dilla.
Yeah,
What's
I
yours?
love that. I was going to take that one. She wouldn't let me because she gave it to me a year ago.
I love it.
I
use
had
it
never
everywhere.
seen it before. It's an amazing font. If you haven't gotten that one, go get it. It's worth it, wherever you have to get it from. My favorite one that's similar, and a lot of people use, is Magnolia Sky. It's another real pretty script font. My basic font for like school, just old times font, is called Georgia. A lot of people use it too.
Because I
love
like
that
the
one.
G.
Yeah, I love the G in it. Yeah.
And then we both like, well, mine's the one I like is called Freddie. It's the long, stretched out font.
Right, and I have one called Long Sunday, and it's a little skinnier. Hers are more fat letters, mine are little thin letters, and yeah, we like
I think
those too.
that's cute too.
Yeah.
So-
So that's some of our favorite fonts, just in case you were wondering. Don't forget to like our Facebook group. You'll want to join there to be eligible to win lots of fun prizes we offer there. Follow us on Instagram, and don't forget to check out our website where we announce all our upcoming sales and products, new products we get. And remember, don't be ordinary, be brilliant.